Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. We are at Super Boss 29 of Charizard C Take 2 because this is the second time Charizard C came out. And we're using the same Pokemon we use as Super Boss number 28, which is one of our strongest Pokemon. Earthquake. Oh my goodness. Earthquake. Tyrant. 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. I thought we were going to die there. Why is it that sometimes... Never mind. I'm pretty sure he's charging towards me. Let me just switch and avoid dying. Why? Buzzwole has pretty high HP. Very tanky, guys. Uh-oh. And I can just actually switch to a Brick Break. Any weak Pokemon with Brick Break is enough to destroy the shield of any Pokemon. Let me just switch just in case. Same. Buzzwole, take the hit. He's gonna summon. I switch back to Tyranitar. Kill him off. And try and finish this. Too late. Less than 10 seconds. And that was it, guys. That was Super Boss number 29 of Charizard C. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Celebi is the next Super Boss. Grass type. I hope my fire type Charizard, was it Charizard? Magmar, it's Magmar, can defeat him. We'll see. Rawr.